Hello, boys and girls. Sorry about the late update, or the late upload. I didn't get anything majorly car done wise. Um, so I guess I did start to rearrange the garage. Actually, originally started making space so let me get it out. So that I could start tearing apart the Z31, and this is the pandemonium I've inherited or created for myself. I guess we'll start off with the sticker. I'm gonna go ahead and try to remember to do a sticker episode. This is I believe I bought it secondhand, not from the original creator. But in front of the lobster claw. The 20s, which are going on the BMW, and these are, let me see, well, they are work Eurolines. Oh, two-piece welded. One of these was actually sent back to work and got repaired. I did manage to find a couple drill bits, so I will be drilling out the s14 airbag here. On a side note, the Z31 will be going to a new home. Yeah. Hang on, let me see what else. My little doggy. Hey, up. You're a good girl. Nate, down. All the way. Panza. 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 That's a good girl. You're a good girl. So yeah, as you can see, I'm slowly making my way. The bikes will be going into this corner, so I'm slowly, I got all the crap that was there and moved the desk. All the shelves will be going back into the desk. With any luck, that one will be getting moved to this side here. And the 3D printer, hopefully be buying a laser engraver and some powder coating equipment here soon. And the sandblaster. Let me see what else. For the most part, yeah. That I did some rearranging. I don't know, you probably won't be able to see it, but I did manage to roll it up. It is a kooky Z31, but let's be honest, I have enough projects. Y'all don't need me see me jumping back and forth. So as soon as I get all this cleaned up, the S14 will be getting pulled in, and I'll be going through and doing the master bushing kit, the 5-lug swap, the coilovers, things of that nature. So hopefully we can get these out of the way, as they're not mine, and I'm not particularly fond of two wheels leg thing. My God, those 20s are massive. Hopefully soon. I do now. This was originally going to go in the Z31 with that one, which, if I'm not mistaken, it has upgraded stuff or whatnot. But yeah, let me know. I still have the BRZ seats. They are sitting on stock G35 wheels, not the Teehees. The most random collection of stuff I get, I always hang it on the walls. I mean, this isn't even the tip of the iceberg. Like, yeah. So as I slowly clean up and actually organize the tools, it's not much, but slowly but surely. Thanks for hanging in there with me, going through the process and all that. Today's tip of the day, get a dog, actually. Who's your good girl? Perra? No? You just gonna stand there? Get a dog. Or get a pet or get a companion. For the 99% of the time, you know, if you treat them right and love them, they love you back uncontrollably. It's like having a kid without the diapers, for the most part, until they get really old or really young. I've heard people do that. Anyway, but yeah, I guess get a dog. I'm sure there's studies somewhere, whether it's true or not, that people who have pets live longer. Yeah. I guess today's question will be, what do y'all think I should put the lobster claws on? But yeah, sorry about the short video. Thanks for tuning in, for those of y'all who tune in every week. Sorry about the late upload. I had actually completely forgot. And I was wondering why I was... Anyway, but yeah. The garage is slowly coming along. So hopefully I can actually fit a car in here once we get all this situated and organized. And hopefully we'll polish out the wheels here. I mean, I originally thought they were Leon Hardits, but they weren't. They are in the boxes. A buddy of mine got, or an acquaintance got he's cool. Yeah, I consider him a buddy. Got some MMR HR3s, and I know you'll think, why would you go from works to MMRs? But I mean, when you've had the same wheel for years, I mean, eventually, you get tired of them. But I mean, honestly, that's probably the wheel choice I would have gone with as well. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I have a lot of weird stuff that just hangs on the walls. You don't even want to see inside the house. Yeah, a Navan brochure. It's double-sided. I wish I had another one so I could do one of each side. But, yeah, like I said, excuse the pandemonium. Hopefully by next video, I've got I won't say short day at work tomorrow. It's 8 hours, but it's short for my normal shift. But I got a short day at work tomorrow, and I should be here to get back on it, start organizing, throw this one on the engine stand, bring the LS and put it on its engine stand, and Subaru Forester grill. Yeah, the most random stuff, I'm telling you. But yeah, hopefully this will all get... Actually, dang, I never noticed that crack before. Anybody got any insight on... I mean, I guess it's in the foundation. There's no helping that. Just as long as it holds. We ain't putting no lift in here. Not that I could with this short ceiling. But yeah, I do need to get that... We'll hopefully go to Home Depot or Lowe's or somewhere, get some plexiglass. Here I am rambling again, sorry. Yeah, I should have the S14 in here. Well, I should have this ready for the S14 by next Monday. Yeah, I should put the dry eraser boards up and all that, but yeah. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I still wound up making it a 9-minute video with my random ramblings. But yeah, tune in next week, guys, and thanks a lot.